Hi, third graders. Yep, we have test on Friday, November 20th, and you are here to review Chapter 3 addition with me. So let's see what we have to review because we did learn a lot in Chapter 3. We will begin with addition without regrouping. When you look at these numbers, you can see that there is no regrouping needed. So this one should be a piece of cake. Let's do it. As you know, where we always begin is with adding the ones. 6 plus 3, I know this is basic addition, so I can do that mentally. 6 plus 3 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. And 2 plus 3 is 5. Excellent. So we have 9 ones, 9 tens, 8 hundreds, and 5 thousands. And our answer is 5,899. As you can see, in this exercise, I did not have to regroup. When I added these two numbers, none of them were 10 or greater than 10. So this was easy. Let's look at the next exercise. This one, when you look at this one, what's happening in this exercise? Ones and tens are easy to add, but when I come to hundreds, I can see that there's something happening. 6 plus 7 gives me a number that's greater than 10. So I can tell that I will be regrouping in hundreds. All right, so let's do that. As always, we begin with adding the ones. Great job. 0 plus 0 is 0. Again, let's add the tens. 0 plus 0 is 0. Now let's get to the hundreds. 6 plus 7, it's given me a number that is greater than 10, and I know it's 13. So what do? I write the number 3 here, and the number 1 will go to the next door. I'll add that to the thousands because I will be trading. I'll be regrouping, right? I'll be regrouping 10 of these hundreds for 1,000. Wonderful. So here we have 1. Now, don't forget the number 1. Think of it like a baby in Walmart. You don't want to forget the baby in Walmart. So make sure that you take it with you. Take it home with you. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 3 is 8. All right, you see, we did not forget the baby in Walmart. If you would just forget it, what would happen? My answer would be 7, and that would be no. So make sure that you always add the number that you have here on top. Don't forget it. Now, we're going to move on to another exercise. This time, let's look at this one. What's happening in this exercise? Oh yeah, I see that the ones, I need to regroup. And again, 5 plus 6 is giving me greater number than 10. And 6 plus 8 is greater than 10. So I can tell that my number here, this exercise, has regrouping in ones, in tens, and in hundreds. There's no regrouping in thousands, right? Very good. So this is addition with regrouping in ones, tens, and hundreds. Oh, that sounds difficult, but we got this. We practiced this a lot in the classroom. So let's do it. Let's dive into it. So as always, we begin by adding the ones. Very good. 7 plus 4 is 11. And since I'm regrouping, I'm going to be trading 10 of ones for 1 10. So I'll put the number 1 on top of tens. Now I have, again, baby in the Walmart. Don't forget to take it home with you. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 6 is doubles, right? 6 plus 6 is 12. Again, I'm trading. Now this time I'm trading tens, right? 10 tens for 100. So let's put that 100 on top of it. And now I have another baby in Walmart that I gotta take home with me. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 8 is 15. And again, I'm going to be trading, this time, 10 hundreds for 1,000. So let's do that. Let's put the 1 on top of thousands. Now I have, again, baby in a Walmart that I have to take home with me. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 3 is 7. And my answer is 7,521. And this is how we regroup in ones, tens, and hundreds. All right, this is what we learned in chapter 3. We learned all these regroupings. You have to remember that when we regroup, we made out of 10 ones, 1 10. Out of 10 tens, we can make 100. And out of 10 hundreds, we make 1000. This is how we regroup. As always, now is your turn. You need to write 2 addition problems using 4-digit numbers. How do I do that? First, you have to do addition problem that must be with regrouping in tens. For example, when you look at this one has regrouping in tens. Ones, I don't need to regroup, but when I look at the tens, they have to be regrouped. So just think of another example using 4-digit numbers where you have to regroup in tens. Just write that for your teacher. And then another problem that you need to write in Schoology will be with regrouping in hundreds. Example I have here is this one. As you can see, ones I don't have to regroup, tens I don't have to regroup, but when I come to hundreds, 6 plus 7, there I need to regroup. So can you think of another problem where you have to regroup in tens and where you have to regroup in hundreds? Just remember to use 4-digit numbers. This is what you have to do for your independent work. Make sure you turn that in by Friday before your test, because we want you to get that practice. And we also have for you study guide that you have to work on Wednesday, because on Wednesday we don't have classes, but you'll be busy working on the study guide. And if you need any help, make sure you reach out to your teacher with the study guide. This is assigned also in Schoology for practice, so take advantage of this. Submit this assignment to your teacher by Thursday. This is due by Thursday because we want to make sure that you get this done before your test. Thank you for reviewing with me, everyone. I wish you all the best in your test. We love you, and if you have any questions, come to Q&A so we can help you out and practice with you more if you need to. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.